How to fix Spotify not playing songs and music. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Spotify not playing songs and music problem solved. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to check is your internet connection. Make sure that you have good and strong internet connection. After you've checked that, what you'll need to do is you will need to head over to your App Store. On your App Store, make sure that your Spotify is updated to its latest version. For that, simply search for Spotify, open it up, and instead of open, if there is update, make sure that you update to the latest version. After doing that, you can open up Spotify, and after you open Spotify, you will need to clear its cache. Now to clear the cache, you will need to head over to the settings that is on the top left. Head over to the settings, and on your settings, you should find storage. Now on your storage, you will see clear cache option. Tap on clear cache and you're basically good to go. And that should solve the problem. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.